Pakistan's Air Force brings serious numbers into play. With around 390 fighter aircraft, it can dominate airspace, launch continuous operations, and maintain pressure throughout the conflict, a clear advantage in the skies. Iran, in comparison, operates around 130 fighter aircraft, a smaller fleet, but still capable in defensive roles. But air power alone doesn't win wars. The next factor can completely change the game. Iran focuses heavily on logistics and mobility. With nearly 90 transport aircraft, it can move troops, weapons, and supplies quickly across regions. Pakistan operates around 60 transport aircraft, supporting operations, but at a lower scale. So Iran builds the backbone of war, but what comes next decides how fast that war is fought. Iran focuses on rotary wing support. With around 130 helicopters, it maintains battlefield mobility, surveillance capability, and logistical flexibility across different terrains. Pakistan, however, operates around 320 helicopters, a significantly larger fleet, allowing faster troop movement. And now, this is where things get interesting, because the next domain changes how wars are actually controlled. Iran builds strength beneath the surface. With around 20 submarines, it can operate stealthily and strike without warning. Pakistan operates about 8 submarines, smaller in number, but still strategically relevant. And in naval warfare, what you can't see can change everything. Iran dominates naval numbers with nearly 280 combat vessels. It maintains a massive presence across key waters. Pakistan has around 114 combat vessels, a capable fleet, but significantly smaller. So Iran controls the sea, but the real battle shifts to land next. Pakistan deploys around 2,600 plus tanks, powerful enough for large-scale ground offensives and sustained battlefield pressure. Iran slightly leads, with nearly 2,900 tanks, giving it a marginal edge in armored warfare. Now this is where things start getting serious, because the next factor goes beyond the battlefield. Iran holds strong long-range strike capability. With around 250 ICBM launchers, it can hit targets. Far beyond the front lines, Pakistan operates around 160 launchers, still powerful, but lower in number. And if you think this is the peak of power, the next segment will change everything. Pakistan strengthens its ground firepower. With around 2,600 plus towed artillery units, it can deliver sustained fire across battle zones. Iran fields approximately 2,200 units, slightly behind, but still effective. Firepower matters, but survival matters more. And that's where this next system comes in. Iran builds a powerful defensive shield. With nearly 400 air defense systems, it can detect, track, and intercept incoming threats. Pakistan operates around 250 systems, offering protection, but with less coverage, so even dominance can be stopped. But the next factor is on a completely different level. Pakistan holds a major strategic advantage here. With around 170 nuclear warheads, it possesses a powerful deterrence capability. Iran currently has none, creating a massive difference in strategic balance. And now comes the final factor, the one that decides how long this war can actually last. Iran maintains around 610,000 active personnel capable of sustaining long-term operations across multiple fronts. Pakistan slightly leads with about 660,000 personnel, giving it a small numerical edge. So the advantages are divided: air power, naval strength, strategy, and deterrence. But in a real war, it's not just about numbers, it's about how they are used.